The Vinod Gupta School of Management was founded by distinguished alumnus and lifetime fellow of IIT Kharagpur, Mr. Vinod Gupta. Being the oldest school of management in the IIT ecosystem, VGSOM has constantly ranked among the top B schools in the country by several ranking bodies.
I welcome you to Vinod Gupta School of Management, Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur, founded more than a quarter of a century ago in 1993 as the first management school in IIT system with the generous support of its illustrious alumnus. Vinod Gupta School of Management has grown to its present level of maturity on its continuous path of improvement while imparting education in the field of management. With untiring effort, unceasing support, knowledge and leadership of its highly qualified and devoted faculty members and motivated students and researchers, the school stands today as one of the first 5 best ranked management institutes in the country. The school possesses education and good quality infrastructure and computers.
The education at VGSOM goes beyond the syllabus and includes a host of functional conclaves, fairs, and competitions.
We open a multitude of opportunities for both the participating recruiters as well as the enthusiastic students through the summer and final placements. Here, the students provide innovative solutions to real-world business problems.
We are a student-driven body of profoundly energetic individuals endeavoring to achieve excellent placement opportunities in terms of the domains offered and the corporates to work with. We also collaborate with company executives to organize industrial workshops, live projects, and corporate competitions. We are a part of VGSOM's journey towards excellence and its contribution to churning out industry-ready leaders.
The Entrepreneurship Cell of Vinod Gupta School of Management is a student-run body that strives to promote the ethos of entrepreneurship among the students at VGSOM. Our mission is to accelerate the entrepreneurial ambition and turn our institute into the catalyst for entrepreneurial initiatives. For this, we have conducted various national level events such as Vichar, Srijan with a very exciting cash prizes. In the campus, we have also conducted events like Socha Hai, Shark Tank and Laveta Pitch. Even the online semester did not deter the performance of ESEL, and we have been able to provide abundant opportunities to the students such as winter internship, live project and LBOC. We have associated with leading startups in the domain of consulting, sales and marketing, analytics, etc. ESEL has managed to have nearly all the winter internship online this year with a very good stipend. This has helped the student in increasing their domain knowledge.
Corporate and Media Interaction Cell of the Vinod Gupta School of Management, IIT Kharagpur, is responsible for providing platforms for academic corporate synergy, which helps us push the goals of seamlessly blending management and technology. The annual HR Conclave and the Leadership Summit, which are the highlights of our corporate engagement endeavors, put forth ideas from the stalwarts of corporate world that have carved out new thought processes and perspectives in the young minds. Also, Varta and Pratyaksh are our guest lecture series which are designed for interactions from the eminent personalities of the corporate world.
Since we have been confronted by this pandemic, we did not leave any stone unturned to shift every experience online. It was a unique experience to conduct the HR Conclave online last year. Also, our online leadership talk series Vakya continued to facilitate constant engagement with corporate leaders and knowledge domain experts to complement the academic understanding of business with corporate perspectives. CMI also manages the visibility and footprint of the institute over a wide range of social media platforms, complementing a journey towards international acclaim.
The Alumni Committee aims at maintaining a cordial relationship with the alumni of our VGSOM, and it has always been exorbitant and diligent in carrying out its activities. The committee creates, nurtures, and maintains valuable relationships with the efficacious alumni of the institute. It hosts guest lectures called Dhwani with alumni throughout the year, which enables students to acquire and improve their knowledge on various aspects of MBA. During Purvodaya, the annual Management Fest, we organize the Leadership Talk Series Reminiscence, where notable alumni of VGSOM share their valuable knowledge on various domains.
We also conduct one-to-one alumni mentorship programs to aid the junior batch in acquiring and building their knowledge upon domains of their interest. Under its publication, the committee rolls out monthly newsletter VGSOM Diaries, video feature series Kaleidoscope, and the annual magazine NSYNC. The committee ensures regular engagement with the alumni and engages in professional networking activities. We are perseverant in our attempts and strive hard to offer assistance to the students through our significant alumni. Through the committee, we offer easiest route to lifelong learning to our current as well as former students.
VGSOM is an integral part of the IIT Kharagpur campus of 2100 acres. Social interactions and cultural events are a primary part of campus life, ensuring a homely feeling. The school has 12 Bloomberg terminals to carry out economic and financial research and provide students with opportunities to do certificates in the field. To create global leaders, VGSOM entered into a collaboration with the Singapore Management University with its latest initiative, the SMU IIT Kharagpur. The program includes innovative student projects, synergizing research and teaching staff among other activities. To foster academic and extracurricular activities, the state-of-the-art teaching facilities, the central library with a dedicated online digital section, students' gymkhana and Olympic-sized swimming pool contribute to learning and effective education.
Purvodaya, the annual B-School Fest of VGSOM IIT Kharagpur, is an amalgamation of events comprising all domains of business and management. Spread across 3 days, it provides an ideal platform for today's budding innovators to hone and test their mettle against their peers. We create an environment where students across India prove themselves in multiple domains like finance, consulting, operations, and marketing. Apart from that, we host our flagship events, Samvad, Leadership Summit, Reminiscence, and various CSR initiatives that impart the budding managers with skills to be socially responsible citizens.
With the challenge of COVID-19, Purvodaya surged forward despite all odds and proved that we could rise again through resilience. It successfully carried out all the extravaganza of the offline version and went even up a notch by receiving record registrations for all the events. What Purvodaya 21 has proved is that only those with resilience can excel in these challenging times.